Alright, I got a quick video for everyone. Hoping this will help somebody who might be in the same position. This is a 379 2006 Peterbilt, and we have a problem with no left turn or right turn signals. Nothing. Hazards, the same thing. Turn your right on, it cancels it. So, and the weird part is the brake lights do not work on the right side, but the trailer brake lights work. So I don't have a wiring diagram for this thing, so I'm kind of working blind. But I got it figured out. This is the module here for your signals. And damn, this is kind of an interesting truck here. Also seen a lot of salt wherever it came from, but down here you can see that the fuse block is all broken here on the side. So I pulled all these panels out, kick panels, and down here is your right turn fuse, and there's nothing there. It's just broken off. So, and then your left turn is farther up here, and that's all fine and dandy, but I was confused because if there's no power for that right turn, then how is it working in the first place? And it was weird because the fronts were still working, but the rear lights were not working, and then all of a sudden the fronts just stopped working and completely went dead. So I'm trying to trace it down between, coming out of this turn signal, your multifunction switch, that goes over to the module. The module's getting power from this fuse block. And what I did was I actually came up here, and somebody had been in here before, and this wire right here, they just taped over it. I can pull that off and show you. But somebody had tapped into that thing. I don't know why. So I took the power probe and I put 12 volts to that, and my right turn signal started working. So it tells me that the wiring from there out is good. But down here, I was still confused because I couldn't find my power. Well, it turns out this was hooked to a fuse holder and was shoved up underneath this mat here. And what the heck, there it is. And that's what it looked like. Blew the fuse. Somebody had poked this wire before right there, and you had corrosion in that. So I guess the previous owner, however this fuse block split and cracked off, they've jumped power to the back of that box somewhere and ran a fuse holder. So just maybe it would help someone out. I know it's not probably something you'd see all the time because it's somebody jerry-rigged this, but it's just, you never know what you're getting into. So I'll put a new fuse holder on that thing and try to get it out of the dirt here on the floor, and in the future we'll know where to look for that fuse if we have a problem. So I hope that helps someone out. And just because you don't have a wiring diagram doesn't mean you can't figure it out. You just gotta work at it and not give up. So